1/16 scale fast speedy crawler RC truck, remote control car toy for boys girls.
Beginner's RC car, designed with an easy-to-learn remote controller with quick and precise response. This RC car is the best gift choice for beginners. Speedy Drift Car, powered by a strong motor, the RC car can drift and reach up to a speed of 18 km per hour, giving you a thrilling drift experience. Team play, get your friends together and play with multiple RC cars with no signal interference. Help your kids develop their social and teamwork skills. 50 minutes playtime, equipped with two 6-volt 600 mAh rechargeable batteries that provide a total power play of 50 minutes. 100% tested toy, built out of high-quality ABS and PA material, the car has undergone impact and drop tests, ensuring toughness and maximum durability.